Hello and a hearty welcome to all my students. This is Ajit Anthony, teacher at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we are going to discuss the topics related to chapter number 5. So, without wasting any time, let's begin.
The very first process that we are going to discuss today is evaporation. Evaporation is a process in which the liquid changes into a gas that is called evaporation. As we all know that we all require salt and we all are eating salt while putting in our food, and we get or obtain salt by the help of the process called evaporation. Let's see how it is done. As we all know that evaporation is being a process in which liquid changes into a water. Like the same way, the water which is there in the sea gets evaporated due to the process of evaporation, thus leaving behind the solid particles, which we call it as the evaporation. Thus how the salt is obtained by the help of the process that we are known as evaporation. And just recall this out again, evaporation is a process in which liquid changes into a gas. The another process that we are going to discuss today is condensation. Condensation is a process in which gas changes into a liquid, and thus we can say condensation is a opposite process of evaporation. In terms of the points, we can say condensation is a opposite to the evaporation. Condensation takes place when a water vapor or any vapor hits a cold surface. Due to the sudden change in the temperature, the water vapor gets converted into a liquid, and that is all the process which is called condensation, in which a gas change into a liquid. The another point that we are going to discuss today is solubility and solution. Before to start with solution, we should understand that what is solute and solvent. So let's start with the solute part, then we are going to discuss solvent, and afterward with the solution part. Solute, the substance that get dissolved, is called solute. Always remember over here that solute will be in a lesser amount or in a lesser quantity. Solvent, the substance in which the solute gets dissolved, is called solvent. Thus a solution can be termed as a mixture of solute plus solvent. For example, sugar plus water will be considered as a sugar solution. Over here, sugar will be called or can be termed as the solute part, whereas the water will be the solvent part. Thus, sugar plus water, when they are dissolved in it, we get a solution, that is sugar solution. Now, there are two types of solution: saturated solution and unsaturated solution. Saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved further on, is called saturated solution. Means a solution in which no more solutes can be dissolved any further, that type of solution is being called as saturated solution. Whereas on the opposite side, the unsaturated solution are those solution in which more solute can be dissolved. That means a saturated solution is just opposite to the unsaturated solution. A saturated solution in which no more solute can be dissolved, whereas in an unsaturated solution, solute can be dissolved. Now coming to the next point, that is the solubility. It is the ability of any of the substance to get dissolved in a liquid, and one of the liquid which dissolves majority of the substance is the water, because water is known as the universal solvent.
Hope you all have enjoyed this session. Thank you.